Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI Studio Ghibli Filter. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Vidnoz AI website and then we have to create our account. And after the creation of our account, what we have to do simply we have to go to the AI tools option here and then we have to open this link here. So as you can see, we have to open this option here, AI Studio Ghibli Filter here. Now simply we have to open this in a new link. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now I'm going to click on the upload image and now simply we have to upload the image which image you want to use. So let's choose that image here. I'm going to choose that image. For example, I want to use this image here and then simply we have to click on the open, and after clicking on the open, as you can see, the image will be uploaded in a few seconds, and after that you will be able to generate that. As you can see, this is the before and this is the after. So in this way you can generate your filter, in this way you can use that. And after uploading the image, simply we have to click on the change now, and you will be also able to change that. So let's click on the change now. It will take few seconds in generating your image. It's up to your internet connection, it's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see, now it's loading. The 10% is done. So as you can see, now the filter is generated here. So in this way you can also do that. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this option. So see you guys in the next video.